Hey guys, this is your homeboy Josh of Basic Value, and for today's video, we are still going to be talking about Scratch, but the category that we are going to be covering right now is the events block. So in the events, you have this one as the first one. This is the most famous block in Scratch. So this initiates everything. Now, this one is an initiator, but when you press a specific key. So it could be the arrow keys, letters, and numbers. The next, we have when this sprite is clicked. So when you click on the sprite, an effect happens or an effect is triggered or another block is triggered. Then when the backdrop switches to backdrop 1 or 2 or castle. So these are like conditional blocks. So if there's a series of blocks in here that says switch to backdrop 2 or backdrop or castle 1, then you have this block with another stream of blocks in here, an effect will be triggered. Next, when loudness is set to 10, so this uses your mic. As you can see, there's a prompt in here. So I'm not gonna do that because we can't do that right now. And this one, when I receive message, so basically you use this block with these blocks, broadcast and wait. So this is, the three of these are connected. So when I receive message 1, and this block is usually used with other streams of blocks. So let's say when the sprite is clicked, broadcast message 1, and then this block would be connected to another stream of blocks, which would be triggering an effect when the sprite is clicked, when this one is clicked. As you can see, it glows up very quickly. So that's all for the events block. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe because it helps our channel grow, and we would be making a lot of more videos like this so that we could help you improve your Scratch project and get you up to speed with Scratch. This is your homeboy Josh. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.